Hi everyone, Sadler here from Dent-Remover. Something different today. I've had a delivery. Let's see what it is. Okay, so let's take a look and see what's in the box. Good boxes these. Right, here we go. Good job it's not glass that's in here. Everyone knows I've got horrible fingers, and Zan told me that I had to buy some of his gloves, so I bought some of his gloves. Got some more Tabweld glue, because I ran out, and all I was using was Aldi glue. Again, I got told off, so I bought some glue. And then, I got a slide hammer. Ultra gentle slide hammer, and it's got a removable weight as well, so I'm quite interested to see how this one goes. And that's it. So there you go, that's what's in the box.
Gotta let you know, 'cause I can't let you go. No more wasting time.